Gracey, me ask you for look of food. Me can I get a look of food, please?
You never ask me for any food for yourself. I mean, distinctly tell us you carry food from where you go.
What's not easy?
But what about it not easy?
Me ask you look of food for last night for myself. I know me ask you look of food.
No, you can't ask you to food when you go eat, when you go brunch.
Me no cook on me yard, I'm want dinner for me.
You go brunch.
I'm want dinner.
No, I that you not go get.
You can't tell me what, you can't tell me no, me need the food.
Tell us you can't get the food for Max. Me not have enough food for you and him and you want separate plates.
Yo, what make when you cook, you have to cook one look up 1 pound of rice.
And 1 pound of rice, me can't cook that. And you so tell you, and that me I tell you, say people not beg and beg with conscience.
Me don't want a little bit of food, you know.
But and that me I tell you, say me not have wagga food. Me never have cook for the nation, Dana. Me not cook for the nation. And restaurant shall come from until I come and
the restaurant food is not. We never say the food don't taste good. We say restaurant food not taste like food. So I don't know, belly full is brunch.
So why you come here so the belly
Yeah. Me go want a little dinner. Tomorrow Monday me cook my Sunday dinner. So me nah cook tonight, so me come right also for my dinner. We just left brunch. And you start cook dinner first. Yeah, me just left brunch. You just a chat, so. It called brunch, it never called dinner, and me don't cook no dinner. Excuse me? Where you get that from? Who tell you that? Where you get that from? You start cook from 6 o'clock this morning, you cook dinner. Please to give me my dinner. No, me talk to you this morning and you tell me say you cook. Me talk to you 8 o'clock this morning and you tell me say you cook. Which Angela you attack? 8 o'clock me talk to you this morning and you tell me say you have peas pan fire and you have meat pan fire. Where Angela come from in this? And you tell me so. So when you chat your mouth, you know, remember what your chat say. Me not come in kind of parking out there out of your street. Me not see no parking down there so full. So that's why me not bother come in. And my husband don't feel well, so I'm going home to my husband.
What you say?
My husband don't feel well, so I'm going home to my husband. I don't have time to waste.
But make your husband prepare your food.
No, because him don't feel well.
Prepare your food. I don't know about a man. Your husband could have prepared your food.
And I'm making a man, Gracey.
I don't want none of them a problem. I don't want none.
And I'm making a unknown.
But one of them a problem. I don't want a man.
You're there. Actually, you don't find the right one.
The food done already, you know?
My one is not problem. Sorry. You need to go in your crystal ball again and go find one good one.
You know why I move from here and go to your yard to cook food? Because you just start talking about man. Why do you yard to cook food? Because you go like say man or dog.
Looking at your crystal ball.
You just a run down man so like man or dog.
No, me not run down no man. A one man me have a one man to me goodie.
Yeah, I run here running down.
I'm a one burner coal stove, my love.
I want thing to tell you now. You just can't keep on the belly to yourself.
No, we cannot keep it, Gracey. I sent you move, come up here, so 7 minutes from me, you start keep feel. So nobody show off. All these years, you never that keep your belly, so till you move, come 7 minutes, so you can't bother me about no food no more. So you just cook your one pot, all of a sudden now you show off. We eat everything.
You're the animal.
We eat everything, so put everything in there.
You're the animal, I'm going to ask about you. You're the animal. You're the big animal. You're the big time animal.
Yeah.
We eat everything, give us everything.
We eat everything I want, everything as long as I come out of your kitchen. So set up with dinner. Really? So me not come. You want me call lick off your door? You want me call lick off your door like I get up me there? I get a girl them with the wickedness. The kind of girl when no feel love up she. And if you want to get the medal, you want to get her from a real ghetto. Actually, you don't get a girl why you can't find no man. Why? You're going to need to wheel and come again, Gracey. Wheel and come again. Angie. You know, all of us are animals, you know? But we are good animals. Angie. Want sugar? Where did they have the plum? Gracey, you don't make no soursop juice. Gracey, you don't make no carrot or soursop juice.
I thought you played it on the inside.
Gracey, I want soursop or carrot juice, man. Can you please get me some soursop or carrot juice? Gracey, stop ignore me.
Angela, you know you're gonna make me cuss and go along, but you come like the old sitting out and make it better with us a hala about the name, son.
We are going to cuss and go along bad for you. Can't, if you cuss Angie up, then me cuss your fear, you know me. We cuss your fear, you know, Gracey.
Angie, cuss for yourself, you know, and say, you think they're done, huh?
Yeah, there. Why? Why? Yes, Angie, stand up. Yes, Angie, no make nobody come.
And the wrong one this year, you think they're done? You think they're done, huh? That's what you're going, you know? That's so bad. You see that plate where you get teeth in plate, come on? Make sure we get back a plate there.
Girl, go.
Make sure I wait.
Yeah, look a plastic plate them. Look a plastic plate them when you buy per Amazon. Yeah, go along. You look a plastic plate them when you buy per Amazon. And what them there?
Keep it from me. You know what your son said? Auntie, you know I'm not in there plastic. I said no. He said, well, even the microwave took up the notice a glass.
Yeah, there.
Put it from you.
Why?
Chat to me nice when you chat to me.
Why? Cause a big jelly pork you cook. Hey, nobody can't riff-raff come out and come give me, you know, me dashing on your face.
Why do you give me something up with the top of these? And up here, boy, you give me.
You're lucky.
If I really pick out the doors, give me.
Yeah, there. You must say it. Gracey, you too damn lie. Listen, man. Me just take out a little side of the pot, put in your plate. Cause the salt mackerel never waka for you get one whole heap. You're lucky you even get none. Me pick up. Gracey, I lie you. Gracey, Gracey, me never pick out the one I bone them out of the plate. Me never pick out the out, yeah. Me never pick out the one of the bone them out of this. Girl, you know what you get. Me take out, listen, me take out one big spoon for each person. Put in a them plate. And me I talk about the big commercial spoon. I never belly full because I know only for 6 mackerel and when you pick it up, you know, it come down to a little bit. You never cook up with no whole heap of tomato and no whole heap of onion and you take what you get. I same thing everybody get. Me just take out a spoon and place it in a somebody plate with one banana, one dumpling and one piece of yam. You get that? Me are satisfied. You too damn lie. So what make you not take out where you are? Girl, she lies, see man. Are you stay far and fling things, give me. Gracey, you chat too much. Gracey, you chat too much. Just carry me husband food, come give me.
Stay far and give me all this.
Niam, what you get?
Thank you. That you do, you fin yam what you get to. All this.
Thank you.
Max with the yam in it.
So how Max paid for you, so?
All this.
Thank you. Wait for this. Give Angela this.
Anything you see, you give me the salt mackerel with a pear bone you give me.
Yeah, me.
Dear God, and me eat your bone like that because of that you give me.
Yeah.
But looking at your plate when you go around there, the 5-star where you come from.
Alright, 5-star general. Why?
5-star where you come from, the treat yourself.
Thank you, darling.
You see, you
Oh, Jesus. Why? My husband call me. Oh, you mean? He might call me. He did have fever when I left there today. Yeah. And you're not sure, girl. Angie later, boy. Alright. Yo, I tell you. Oh gosh. You feel better? Eh? Just a check. What happened?
Are you in the house?
No.
It's the day, sir.
No, I'm leave now.
Make careful to me.
That you got before you are you really full. No, I'm not carry no food for you. Because you don't like them food, that's why you don't want to come. I joke, we don't say you don't feel well. Chum me. You don't like them food. You know, but already you say you're not a fan of them food.